Alright, what's going on, guys? We're at Darren's shop. We're back. Darren's over there putting on his new turbo. I'm over here trying to take off my front bumper to install this front mount intercooler kit. Now if I sound a little bit tired, since I am, but we're gonna make this shit happen. Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do to remove the bumper, we're gonna take off this grill. We got a T25 right here, T25 right there, and then pull it out towards you. You're gonna see some tabs all along the bottom here. Just pull it out like that. And it's gonna come out. Then disconnect your sensor for the assist right there, the radar assist. Alright, so now we're gonna come to the fender liners. There's gonna be 4 Torx, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right there, and then a nut in there. But we're gonna take off these Torx first, pull that back. Alright guys, so we have the front bumper off, and I believe the next step is to remove these air guards right here. They're held in by these tabs. Go in there with the flathead, pop them out. Do that on each side. Horn is sitting down here. Take off the 13, put the horn upside, and do that for the other side, so we have access for the pipe to go right underneath. Alright guys, so the bracket right there, T25, 16 mil. Slide the T25, slide the 16, boom, get one bracket on one side, have that angled up, and do the same for the other side. Alright, we got it on there mocked up, loose fit. It looks pretty sweet, man. The temperature sensor has to be zip tied right here. That's what that hole's for, facing forward. We're gonna make sure we have enough space between this and the AC condenser, enough space. And then now the most important thing is test fitting the pipe from here underneath. You can see right there. There she is, guys. Trestone front mount intercooler kit. Just got it tightened up. Got all the charge pipes on. That side. You can see how the bumper fits. And yeah guys, pretty much wraps it up for this video. I'll show you what it looks like when the bumper's on, but yeah. You're gonna run into setbacks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Catch you in the next video.